here's a short video of a few cutscenes or whatever from some of the videos that I've made in the past few months or whatever. The majority of the cutscenes that I didn't use, of course. I decided to put them all together to make one short video, kind of like I did before. I have one out there already that I did put together. Unfortunately for this one, I don't have as much, but I do have a good handful of a few clips that are pretty funny. Well, you'll definitely see why they didn't make the cut into the videos, why I had to edit them out. But that's okay, because it makes for a good video later on down the road, so enjoy! Race car. You think I should? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my goodness, did you see that?
Don't touch that! I got swatted!
Are you recording it? Oh, the alternator.
That's dirty, that's dirty.
It's not dirty, it's clean. I just wiped it off.
Stop.
Yep, it just measures the light.
It's a little longer. That's your problem right there.
Dick hate me good. We done, Fluff? Well, come here. Wait, now what is this? What'd I do, fart? So, oh man, I have to edit that out. Whew. Man.
You just spray that? What the hell?
A big spider web, what you need? You need a butter knife.
For spider web.
Yes, you stab them.
There's a lot of boobage on this wall.
You like all the boobage? Weld's done. Yeah, that must have been a race car. And, oh, here, let me show you another thing. The block itself is actually... I gotta take a shit.
Yeah, that is like...
I
I can't finish that because I would get hurt and end up in the hospital.
That may... See, you just need a butter knife. You don't knock the camera. Don't do it, you.
You see that corner down there?
Well, yeah.
They had a crack open like an egg.
The entire cabin, so like...
So we're walking around the Tri-County Fair. I got a cucumber in my pocket. Anybody comes near me, I'm gonna cucumber them. So this is what a couple other people are using.
What? Did you
What was in that? I think so. What was in that water bottle? I wonder if I got...
YouTube, she's kicking us off the channel, so we gotta go. Yeah.